Hey everyone, I'm here again with my 87 Toyota 4Runner. This time I'm underneath the truck, and I'm attempting to oil or grease the drive shaft. There's on these points here. And it seems pretty easy, straightforward. You just put this, tighten it up on the nipple, and it's this nipple here, and then you squeeze away. And I was told you shouldn't overfill this, but we'll see what happens. But this one probably has, it was pretty dirty there, so it probably had very little oil in it. But I'm going to keep doing that, and then I'm going to do the rear one. Here. And I'm sure there's some in the front as well. But it's pretty straightforward. You can see it leaking there a little bit. Right there. That's why you have a cloth laying around just in case. And I'll just keep going, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.